This is Design Start, and today we are going to talk about comments. So comments is one of my favorite features in Figma. It makes it extremely collaborative, and I think that everyone should use that. And I believe that this is the future of collaborative tools. And one of the key elements of this future is a commenting tool. So comments are available at the top. In the top navigation bar, here is this button. And you also can use the shortcut, which is C. So to leave a comment, you just press C, and then you may leave the comment somewhere on the canvas, but also you may leave a comment inside a particular frame. If you leave a comment on the canvas, for instance, comment 1, and then press enter, it will be seen on the canvas, and you may hover over that, and you may actually see the comment. And it also should appear in the right sidebar here in the comment section, if the comment is activated. You may also comment inside the frame. For instance, you will see that if I'm commenting inside the frame, it becomes highlighted. And here I can say comment 2, and this appears. Comments are very useful because you may place them in a particular place and another person will clearly understand the context of why this comment is here. For instance, here I may write something like change the text here or change the color here. And basically someone else, for instance, you may imagine that I'm a customer or I'm another designer and I'm reviewing the work of another designer. So I leave the comment like change the color, change the text here, or like could you say what should be here, something like that. So yeah, so we can communicate here as in the chat. And you also may leave a comment under the comment, so you actually have a thread here, like comment 1, reply, and that's all, right? So you can see this like clearly this like line of replies and who wrote what and when it was written, and everything also appears here to the right. So you can select, again, you can select comment here and it will be highlighted in the sidebar. And you also can select comment from the sidebar and it will appear also on the map. So whenever you see any comments that are unanswered, they will be highlighted in the sidebar. So it will be easier to find them. And if you go, zoom out a bit, then these comments are grouped together. So again, it's easier to find them. This is the recent feature of Figma and it's extremely useful. What you can do with comments. So you can edit your comment. You can add a reaction for your comment. You may mark comment as resolved. In this case, it disappeared from here. But then if you go to the comment section, and to do that, you need to press this comment icon. And here you also can search for a particular comment. And there are also extra settings here. So this one is sorting by date by red. You also may show resolved comments, and then again this comment that we just marked as resolved appeared. You may only show your threads. Again, it's very useful because in some cases there will be a lot of collaborators inside the Figma file and you probably want to focus on only those ones that you are involved in. And only current page, so basically you just see the comments only in one page. So if I disable this one, for instance, and go to another page, I'll still see the comments. And if I enable this, I will not see any comments here. So this is extremely powerful thing, and I believe that these recent changes from Figma team are just amazing. So here is another one, which is settings. Basically, you can hide all the comments, and then you need to go back to this one. You may also set up the notifications about your comments, and if you select all comments, then you will be notified about all new comments via email. So you will have the email notification like, okay, somebody commented on your file, inside your file. Then mentioned and replies, you will be notified only in case somebody mentioned you or replied to your comment. And the other one is none, so you will not be notified at all about any new comments inside the particular Figma file. Another important thing is that if you go home, you will be able to see all the notifications here in the notifications icon. And here will be all new comments that you received. So you always will be up to date with the new notifications. Thing about comment though is that everyone could leave them. Everyone who has an access to this file, at least on the viewer permissions, it is possible for them to leave a comment and to see your replies. And this makes, again, it's extremely collaborative tool. And even on the free account where you just have unlimited files in your draft, you may share some of your designs with those people who have a viewer permission, and then they can leave a comment, and then you can work and work again and again without any troubles at all. This is one of the things you need to take into account to make sure you understand clearly the rules of who can comment and when. That's all what I wanted to say about comments, and see you in the next videos.